time to leave this paradise, Saranda, for another adventure. We are taking the bus. It leaves from about an hour from now, so we have to wait here a bit. We are going to Vlora. So we have a new Airbnb there booked. So let's see what Vlora has to offer us. Join us. Okay, this is our ride to Vlora. 4 hours, I think. Okay, 2 hours on this bus with no suspension on this winding mountain roads. We have stopped for a little pause here, and the scenery is explicit. It's extraordinary. I've thought to myself that I would sleep these 4 hours, but I have just sat there with my eyes wide open and took it all in. It's just mountain views and it's just incredible. Okay, just got off the bus here in Vlora, and we are walking to meet our new host of the new Airbnb. And so far so good. It was quite a ride up here through the narrow, winding mountain roads, and we saw donkeys and sheep, cows, but spectacular views, fantastic views. I couldn't sleep. I just had to keep my eyes wide open all the time because it was so fantastic. And it took about 3.5 hours, maybe 4 hours. I don't know what the time it is now, but okay, let's find the apartment and do a room tour. See you later. Hello folks, welcome to Vlora. Just got the keys to the new place, and let's do a room tour. This was really cheap. It cost us about 150 euros for 5 nights. Pretty good deal. And it's really compact with 1 bedroom, so that's the door out. We have a big TV, Wi-Fi, little living room, 2 sofas, bathroom, really okay, washing machine, shower. Let's move on. Kitchen table. It's right next to the living room. Kitchen. Wow, beer. Sink, stove, fridge. Got everything you need here. Plates, mugs, cups. And kind of a, I don't know what you can call this, is a lounge or something that leads to the balcony. Bedroom, big double bed, smart TV, door out to the balcony, storage, and we have this balcony, pretty big. View over the mountains and the port and the beach. You have, I think it is about 9 kilometers of beach starting over there somewhere, and all the way down behind those houses there. The beach walk called the Lungomare starts and goes all the way down there somewhere. It's an hour's walk of beach. So pretty excited to explore this town, Vlora. It's a little bigger beach town than Saranda. And join us. Tomorrow we are going for a walk. And maybe even tonight we are going to dinner. It was pretty exhausting bus ride here, but fun also. All the animals and the winding roads. So see you on the next. Bye.